Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by inspecting the battery eliminator and the target device. Verify the output voltage and polarity match exactly, because mismatches cause damage. Once done, confirm the current rating is greater than the device's draw. Add about 20% headroom to avoid overheating. Make sure connectors fit snugly and that the inline fuse matches device requirements. Remove any batteries first. You should also test with a multimeter at the leads to see trunk voltage and polarity before connecting. You now attach the appropriate connector or solder a reliable joint because a loose connection causes voltage drops and heat. Once connected, set the output voltage precisely. Use the eliminator's fine adjustment or an external regulator to match the device. Power on briefly to check current draw with a clamp meter or inline ammeter, and watch for voltage sag or rising temperature. If readings are stable for a minute, proceed. If not, shut down and reevaluate connections or regulator settings. You finish by securing all cables and mounting the eliminator in a ventilated, dry spot. Label polarity and voltage for future reference. Then run the device under its normal load for the full expected duration to ensure thermal stability and consistent voltage. If something goes wrong, for example, intermittent power or voltage drop, first check the fuse and connectors, then retest with a meter. If instability persists, swap to a higher current-rated eliminator to eliminate undersizing as the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.